Punky Flute. Today I'm going to share with you how I practice tonguing. Depending on how we tongue our lines, our melodies, our phrases, it's going to dramatically change how the story is told. So I always talk about how music is conversation and how we need to express what we need to communicate. Just like us speaking. My mother tongue it might be different to your mother tongue, and my accent will be different to your accent. And depending on how we articulate our words and phrases and melodies, it's going to come out really, really differently. For example, I've just written this little melody that goes like this. You could turn it like that sort of more classical way. Or you could make it really happy and choppy. And then that immediately makes it a bit more bouncy and dancey, doesn't it? And so on. You could just make it really, really differently depending on how you like to play. And I think tonguing is wonderful and it's most effective way to deliver your message. So today I'd like us to practice on this little song that I've just written to do your improvisation. Let's have a go. If you'd like to have more in-depth help on how to get started on improvisation, please check out my foundation course, 7-day improvisation course for beginners. And if you'd like to listen to more of my music, please check out my website, www.mihovada.com. Let's have a go. A one, a two, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you have a great day. See you next time.